Automation rules are criteria you can set up to capture key info from your calls and forms. You can then scan your activity log and immediately see the interactions that meet these criteria. It's a huge time saver that'll keep you from having to check back every time a customer reaches out. You cut straight to the customers that are most valuable to you. To make an automation rule, click Settings at the top of the screen, then Automation Rules in the left menu. If your rule applies to calls, make sure the number receiving them has call recording turned on. Call transcription also needs to be on, so make sure your pricing plan allows for this. You can use a template to build a new rule, or you can start from scratch with a custom rule. Any template can be customized to include additional tags and even monetary values based on your needs. Every rule has 3 basic criteria: which communication formats trigger it, which attribution sources trigger it, and what key terms and phrases to look for. The terms and phrases in each template are also customizable. In particular, Identify Industry Terms lets you choose a classification that applies to your business and create a rule based on that. The results of any rule will appear on your activity log as tags, or in the case of a qualified lead, a green thumbs up. Any automation rule you create can be edited from the bottom half of the screen. Click the pencil icon to edit its setup, the copy icon to duplicate it, or the trash icon to delete it. The rightmost toggle turns it off and on.